This exercise is really great for training your hip flexor strength and your core strength. Some people may be able to do this on the ground, no problem. Some people might need yoga blocks, and then you might also need to lean back. So the hardest, most challenging position is going to be really far forward towards your legs. The closer you can be, the more towards your shortened position, shortened range of motion, the less leverage your muscles are going to have, versus up here, they're going to be a little bit stronger typically. So you get to decide where you want to be, but you should be at a place where you can get your legs off the ground at least an inch or so. Sometimes we're going to specifically train at that end range where we can almost barely lift them. That's for a very specific purpose. Most of the time, we're going to start at a place where we can lift a few inches off the ground and do our lifts there. Now, if that's too challenging, then we can also lean back here and do our lifts here. If that's still too challenging, we can lean back even more and use yoga blocks here and do our lifts here. And if that's still too challenging, we can also lift our knees tucked here because that makes our legs weigh a little bit less. The goal is to feel your core working in your lower core specifically and your hip flexors. You're also gonna feel your quads. If we have some cramping in the quads, that just means they are not super strong in this position. So we want to flirt with the edge of cramping, and that's what you're going to do for this exercise. Choose the position that makes the most sense for you, but over time, you should feel that it gets a little bit easier and that you can progress towards a more closed position with your hips and core, and that's how you'll know that you're building strength.